Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Sainte-Catherine local and long-distance movers near me. A dependable and cheap Sainte-Catherine moving company makes a big difference. When you hire 3 movers, you get a team of experts ready to handle your local or long-distance move. We know how to make relocating so much easier. Our team of movers has helped plenty of people move, including homeowners, renters, students, veterans, and business owners. You can enjoy the help of a long-distance moving team from us with options such as packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Whenever you need to move 100 miles away or further, you need our long-distance moving services. Our team of movers will help you get your things to your new location faster and more efficiently. Without the right Canada Moving Company, your local move can become stressful. It's a lot of work to move, even if you're just going a few miles up the road. All the heavy lifting still has to be done by somebody. 3 movers can take on your local move and save you time and energy. We use a streamlined process to get you settled in sooner. If the move will take you all weekend, we can do it in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sainte-Catherine moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.